In recent years, the conversation around achieving holistic health has been increasingly dominated by the concept of adopting a plant-based diet. Experts argue that transitioning to a diet centered around whole foods and plant-based sources can unlock a multitude of health benefits. From celebrities to health enthusiasts, many have touted the benefits of a plant-based diet, declaring it as a key ingredient to a balanced and thriving life. So, what are the effects of plant food diets? And can they really affect our health in a positive way? Let's try and find out. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update from the channel. So that being said, let's dive into the video. So, what is plant-based diet? A plant-based diet typically emphasizes consuming fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains while minimizing or eliminating animal products. The benefits of a plant-based diet are extensive and have been supported by numerous studies. People who incorporate a majority of plant-based foods in their meals often report experiencing increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a decreased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. When considering a plant-based diet for beginners, it is often recommended to start by gradually increasing the intake of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains in your daily meals. It's not necessary to abruptly transition into a vegan diet, which completely excludes all animal products, but rather to gently shift the focus towards whole food plant-based options. This allows beginners to acclimate to the new flavors and textures, ensuring a smooth and sustainable transition. The vegan diet, a stricter form of a plant-based diet, eliminates all animal products and derivatives, advocating for a lifestyle centered solely around plant-based foods. While both diets share a common foundation, it's important to differentiate between them. A plant-based diet might occasionally include animal products, whereas a vegan diet is strictly devoid of them. Proponents argue that a plant-based diet not only benefits individuals, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. By reducing the demand for animal agriculture, which is known for its significant carbon footprint, adopting a plant-based diet can also be seen as a step towards ecological responsibility. Now let's talk about the benefits of having a plant-based diet. When it comes to the benefits, there are one too many that make the case of turning to natural alternatives to processed foods worth it. Number one being reduced inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to protect itself against harm. It manifests when white blood cells rush to defend against foreign substances, such as pathogens, irritations, or injuries. While acute inflammation is a short-term reaction characterized by redness, swelling, and pain, chronic inflammation is a prolonged and persistent state that can contribute to various health issues, including type 2 diabetes and heart problems. A plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, can be particularly beneficial in reducing inflammation. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and phytonutrients that are known to combat inflammation. For instance, the antioxidants found in berries, cherries, and leafy greens help neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby curbing inflammatory processes. 2. Reduced carbon footprint. The ecological footprint of animal agriculture is undeniably substantial. It includes not just the land use, but also water consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and deforestation. For instance, the production of meat and dairy products typically requires large quantities of water and contributes significantly to carbon emissions compared to plant-based food production. In essence, while transitioning to a plant-based diet is a commendable step towards environmental stewardship, it is part of a larger puzzle of sustainable living. By also paying attention to the broader complexities of sustainable eating habits, such as minimizing food waste, opting for locally sourced produce, and being mindful of packaging and transportation emissions, individuals can contribute more holistically to the preservation of our planet. 3. The relationship between diet and health is complex and multifaceted, with numerous studies shedding light on how our food choices can influence our well-being. A compelling body of evidence suggests that adopting a plant-based diet can lead to a plethora of health benefits, including a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, improved kidney and heart function, and even enhanced athletic performance. Research such as the Singapore Chinese Health Study published in 2017 has shown a connection between the consumption of red meat and poultry, which are high in heme iron, and an increased risk of diabetes. The study followed over 63,000 adults for 11 years and found that participants who consumed the highest levels of red meat and poultry showed a 23% and 15% increase in diabetes risk, respectively. In contrast, plant-based diets have demonstrated protective qualities against type 2 diabetes and have shown potential in reversing the condition while also enhancing kidney function. By the way, if you are receiving value from this content, like and subscribe to receive more content like this that we provide in our weekly videos. 4. Heart health is another area where plant-based diets shine. Whole plant-based foods are rich in fiber, free of dietary cholesterol, and generally low in saturated fats. These attributes contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. Conversely, animal products such as meat, cheese, and eggs contain cholesterol and saturated fats that can lead to plaque buildup in arteries. To maximize heart health, it's crucial to not only avoid meat, but also limit processed foods that may lead to increased blood sugar levels. Moreover, plant-based diets have been linked to lower levels of bad cholesterol. A 2009 study published in the American Journal of Cardiology cited 5 observational studies that found lower concentrations of total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol in populations consuming plant-based diets. 5. Cognitive health is also positively influenced by plant-based diets. A 2017 report published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found a direct correlation between high intakes of fruits and vegetables and a reduced risk of cognitive impairment and dementia. The nutrients found in plant-based foods, such as antioxidants, vitamins, and folate, play a significant role in these cognitive benefits. 6. Gut health, closely tied to overall well-being, can be enhanced by plant-based diets, which promote a healthy mix of beneficial gut bacteria. Research presented at the European Association for the Study of Diabetes in 2019 showed that just 16 weeks of a healthy vegan diet led to documented improvements in gut health. Further, plant-based diets may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Plants produce phytochemicals that protect against cellular damage and have anti-inflammatory properties. Long-term studies suggest that a diet rich in whole plant foods can prevent up to 1/3 of all cancer cases. 7. Lastly, improved athletic performance has been associated with plant-based diets, with numerous professional athletes advocating for their benefits. Athletes like Venus Williams, Colin Kaepernick, and Alex Morgan have credited plant-based diets with enhancing their performance and overall health. The adoption of a plant-based diet presents a holistic approach to health, offering benefits that span across various aspects of physical well-being. From reducing the risk of chronic conditions to enhancing athletic performance, plant-based diets emerge as a powerful choice for individuals seeking a pathway to improved health. If you would like to receive more info on how I keep myself in perfect health, download my free ebook in the description box below. Happy health to you all, and I will see you in the next video.